Hello guys, this is Japneet, the friend and Dave from the team Jabaz Cheetah, and here's a platform that we made, eClass. It's an e-classroom with mostly everything that you need. Now Zoom is a meeting app. It's not meant for the teaching purposes, and it's not got the features that a teacher or a student needs. So that's why we created a platform keeping in mind the students and the teachers. Now I'm going to give you a brief tour of the website itself. As you can see, an e-classroom with everything that you need. And here I've created a login sign up button, simply if the user wants just to hop in there. Now we connect students and teachers seamlessly, and how do we do that? We have got the attendance record that Zoom doesn't. Now the student retention, this is the crucial part. We use AI here to see if the student is chatting or not, if he is attentive or not. I mean, he can't just turn on the meeting and get out of it. He has to study, otherwise it's useless. Sharing files, the teacher can share files spontaneously on the platform. They don't have to go to WhatsApp or Drive to share the assignments and other files. Now the AI technology that you can rely upon, I'm gonna talk about this later in the video and how does it work and how the pose model works. I'm gonna get my AI and ML expert to talk about that. It is a whole classroom, but digital and easy. We have made this platform by keeping in mind the students and the teachers. We have given students a break time, a no compromise and a collect files platform so that if they miss the class, they can access it later. Now let me introduce you to my team. I'm Japneet. Asta Bazin is our front-end Dave, Orinder Singh is our back-end Dave, and Gaurav Taneja is our AI and ML expert. Now let me just get you to the facts page real quick. This is a normal facts page, contact us page, so that if somebody has any query they can contact us directly. Now let me run to the crucial part, the login and sign up part. Oh, I've already signed up, so it's taking me to login page. Let me just sign up real quick. I'm gonna sign up as a student and the upload file. Now this is the part where it differentiates us from other platforms. We collect IDs and we verify it so that nobody else can join the meetings other than the students itself. Now I've signed up. Let me just log in to the platform real quick. Now my friend Orinder, who's the backend Dave on this team, is gonna log in as the teacher so that he can host the meeting and I can join in that. Now as you can see, he has logged in to the platform and he's the host of the meeting and he's gonna let the other participants in. Let me tell you again, these participants are ID verified. It works as easy as a video chat platform or any other video chat platform, but with all the features that I've mentioned before. He has got all the features that another video chat platform would have, and he can also share his screen. So he's gonna let me in now, and the other AI and ML expert Gaurav. So as you can see, I've also joined the platform and Gaurav has also joined it. He's showing the participants again. Now he's gonna give us a demo by sharing his screen. As you can see, he's gonna share his entire screen and now he's doing it. So this is the participants tab that he made, and oh, it did loop in. Sorry for that. Now he's gonna stop it. That's our video chat platform, guys. Now I'm gonna take you to the AI and ML expert and I'm gonna tell you how does the pose feature and gesture thing works and how we detect if the student is chatting or not, if he's attentive or not. That is ML platform, and I'm gonna show you the pose model. It basically detects the eyes, the face and the shoulder gestures so that we can know. As you can see on the screen, my friend Gaurav is here. His eyes, nose, ears, and now his shoulders are gonna be detected, and on the now there are a lot of things and factors on which it calculates if the student is attentive or not. He's just gonna show you the face tilting. If he tilts his face, it's gonna be non-attentive. If he's not looking at the screen, if the student is not looking at the screen, it's gonna be non-attentive. So that's how precisely a AI model works, and this was a close demo of a video. Thank you so much, guys.